Thanks, Jimmy.
406 cc's, a two-stroke rip, burn, rip your house off the house horsepower with a brand new Kia Air Striker. What do you think, George?
Hell yeah.
We're filming the jungle with sound, huh, girl?
Oh yeah. Come out here and see what was making all that noise.
Yeah. Wow, what a machine, man. The last true American motorcycle. Maybe there'll be another one down the road because I want to build one. We shall see. That thing sounds nasty. He's got a brand new vape ignition in here. Top end's like brand new, super high compression. Pipes in the shop getting painted right now. It's got a new air striker. This thing's gonna be an absolute rocket ship. Look at the chain adjustment on this thing. Nickel plated frame, ATK 406, very exciting. A couple people asked how the 89's been coming. It's was kind of on the back burner. As, we're waiting for the graphic package. It just showed up today, Steiger Designs, and the new Guts custom seat cover she designed. But yeah, this thing is a full frame off, best of everything. No stoning, no bolt unturned. Restoration from the frame up. Even the original factory rims were restored, polished, stunning. Can't wait to get this thing ripping. Then we got the BBR XR 120. Manic Mechanics just put this together. This is a lot of fun. This one's not for sale. It's going to be my shop transportation to get in between the shops here. One shop's about 1,200 feet down the road here, so that'll expedite everything. That's my favorite bike. Let's see what's going on here. What do you got there, Ron?
Nelson Orr and Uncle Ron present.
You got a cold one?
Cold one.
It's lunchtime already, huh?
Yes, sir.
Little hair of the dog that bit you?
Hey, I got her.
That he's not exaggerating. Uncle Ronnie actually bought that. Ronnie Mac bought us a 12-pack. Thanks, Uncle Ron.
Hell yeah.
So yeah, this looks nice, man. That is a beauty. Wow, Elsinore CR 125M with the that's a Mugen logo, Mugen graphics, DG pipe, little ripper. Oh, yeah. Looks really nice, man. Can't wait to ride this thing. You going up to the showroom with her?
Yes, sir.
Nice, nice. We got the Manic Mechanic here resurrecting the class of 1977 KZ 1000 barn fresh find that found us. How far did you get on it so far, mister?
I'm gonna pop the battery in it and fire it up.
You gonna be filling the jungle with sound here in a minute?
Yeah.
When's the last time this ran? 1979?
A long time.
So yeah, this is Jeff's specialty 4 and 6 cylinder super bikes. Kind of a lost art, but he's got his new apprentice over there. Say hello, Justin.
How's it going, Ted?
Really good. His first day on the job. How's it going, man?
Oh, we're having a great time. We're assembling some new gas bikes. Working on this vintage Yamaha JDM. This
Nice.
is a very cool bike.
Nice. What's the scoop with this bike? Tell us about this one.
Yeah.
What's up with that plate?
That's a vintage JDM plate, right from Japan.
Straight up from Japan, huh?
Yeah, it's a 1973. We're just going through the bike completely. We're draining a little two-stroke oil out of it. I just rebuilt the carburetor. We're going to throw that back on in a minute here. Yeah, just going through the thing completely. Got oil sitting in the cylinders. It's been sitting a long time, so we're going to get this thing back going shortly.
Now, Junior told me this thing had 699 miles on it. Kind of hard to believe, but in the video, Junior actually interviewed the original owner who bought this bike. He's 80 years old now when he was in Japan, I believe in the service, but that'll be in the video. This is the first bike Justin's restoring for us here, and looks like he's well on his way here. Got the carb done. Ignition looks super clean compared to the one we just did for. We have another. What is this? Is yours open over here?
Yeah, it is. Go take a peek.
Check this out. Now this is kind of a paradigm shift.
It's not really that bad.
This one was properly stored. We got this one over here.
Yeah, that's
This is after.
a little worse.
This is after Chris cleaned it up. This one looks like it was left in the ocean, and it was parked 20 years ago by my friend Joe. His dad, Vietnam vet, handed him down these bikes in his estate. This 360 and the CR500 we've been working on. This is the second bike we're doing for him. Another 360. What year is this one, Chris?
73.
And that one's a 70.
73.
They're both 73s. Pretty cool. That's
Jimmy's.
so we got 3 73s here.
Yeah.
The one he's working on over there. Oh, he's got a 360 MX, right? So it's a class of 73 week this year, I guess this week. But this one here should be up and running shortly. Had no spark for the last 20 years. Now we even got some brand new stuff here. What do you got here?
Brand new 250 fuel injected through the throttle body, electric start two-stroke.
Jesus,
Remix,
it's
racer.
it's got all the faults of a four-stroke, but the charm of a two-stroke.
Electronic power valve too, I think.
Wow, electronic power valve.
Yeah.
No, this is the state of the art. This is like if Honda had continued building,
Yeah.
or Yamaha or Suzuki had. I know Yamaha's the one that still makes them, but if they had continued developing, they don't have to put any development money. Their engines are the same as they have been in the last 30 years. But KTM every year and a half, the KTM group, which owns Gas and Husqvarna, has a Kian fuel injection system on here. Super easy to work on these bikes. The air filter comes off in like literally 12 seconds. You can change an air filter.
No tools required.
Everything's new on this bike for 23. The swing arm, the fuel injection. How many cylinders? I mean, how many speeds is the transmission? Is this 6-speed?
It's a 5-speed.
5-speed? Okay, because I know they had a 6-speed too.
125 is a 6-speed.
Yep. Yeah, and so they had the EX, I think, the Enduro version.
Yeah, the Enduro version is probably a 6-speed. Yep.
So electric start, fuel injected, liquid cooled, all the greatness, the best new suspension, wheels, just a fantastic machine. So you got two of them. Are these twins?
Yes, sir.
Very cool. So MC250s. Stay tuned. We'll have these fired up soon. Then we got a Smoking Joe's Honda 600 F3 that the Manic Mechanics are working on for a while now. What's left on this one? Just the turn signals, right?
Front turn signals on it. That baby's ready for sale.
Awesome. Stay tuned for that one. We got the Dent Magician Mike Maximu here. Did I pronounce that right?
Yeah.
Pretty good. So anyways, I've known Mike since he was, 4 years old. He raced motocross with Junior. And now he's a Dent Magician. So he has this mobile repair thing where he comes in, and we get these vintage bikes like this have dents in the tank. Nobody wants to bring home a classic with a dent in the tank. Mike, really, they call them Dent Magicians because it is like magic. Somehow he gets the dents out. Where was the dent in this one?
Right here, this whole side of it.
And you can't even tell.
Saving her, bringing her back to her glory.
This is another 73. This is a 360 set up for MX. So we have three of them. We have the MX version with the MX pipe. We've got the Enduro and then the Japanese version over there that Justin's been working on. So we'll have all these fired up soon. So guys, this list right here represents 40 motorcycles that are ready for video that we've been working on for months here, and they'll be coming out real soon. We got the CBX 6-cylinder. Now check this thing out, man. This bike has just turned exactly 100 miles, had like 96 miles on it when we got it from the John Mahee collection, a friend of his who was a president of a school that did a lot of business with Honda and was gifted this, and it sat in his office for decades and till he retired, and he sold it to John. It's a brand new CBX, maybe the last of its kind. And then we have its distant cousin right here, the 6-cylinder KZ 1300. So stay tuned for the 6-cylinder wars. We've got a whole plethora of Elsinore 125s. Not one, not two. Number 3, the one Ron just pushed up here. That looks familiar. 4. And 3 more of them that are down in the other room. Then we've got some super nice, this is a 500 AF. And then we've got a really super rare CR500 steel frame Supermoto. And the coolest part about this is a frame up built by us here, by me, Kaplan America, Kaplan Cycles. All brand new motor, everything's new on this bike. And it comes with a brand new set of moto wheels, matching moto wheels. Just something we've never done before. We've sold Supermotos, but never had to include a brand new motocross set of wheels and tires too. So someone's getting a unique opportunity. We've got a KZ 900, 76. We've got this Cobra piped Ninja 250. I've got a Honda V4 750, a Rokon Trailbreaker, not one but 2 Honda MR50s, 454 Cowie LTD. Oh guys, check this out. Take it easy coming through here, nice and easy. This is a super ultra rare Norton Player. John Player Norton. They only made 200 of these for American consumption, worldwide consumption. 850cc monster. Don't bend the fender on that, please. We'll be having a problem. Then we got guys, please. IT250 Yamaha, really nice piece. IT175 Yamaha, super, super ultra rare diamond. PE250 Suzuki, class of 1985, CR500. We got an Intruder 1400. This is a cool piece right here, a Polini 50. They don't make these anymore. This is an absolute little rocket ship. And how about a twin engine mini bike over here? What do you think about the twin engine mini bike, George?
Pretty cool, man.
You want to rip it up the driveway?
Hell yeah.
Okay. So we have a twin engine mini bike right here. And a whole lineup of Pentons. We got a Penton 250, Penton 175, another Penton 250, and then a Penton Mint 400, ultra rare. Then a brand new KTM 2023, 300cc motocross bike. A sweet RD 250. We'll be doing videos of every one of these bikes running. The other Elsinore, this one with the PFR factory style pipe, beautiful piece. All original Honda 160 Super Sport. This is 1965. This thing's an absolute diamond. This thing runs like brand new, low miles on it. A CB 554, and then this badass Elsinore CR 125, class of 79, full frame up restoration on that one with the gold DG head. I think I covered all of them. There's 40 of them, 39 on the list. We'll be riding all these over the next week or so, and you'll have videos of these all running up the road, just like the way we do it here at Kaplan Cycles. Thanks for watching. If you haven't bought your raffle tickets, guys, KaplanCycles.com. It's coming up quick, October. The drawing is October 6th, a little over a month away from now, for this brand new 2023 and a half Gas 450 Factory Edition. KTM 250, that just sold. That thing's beautiful. So, did someone mention Gas? We got a full lineup from the 50cc's, 65s, 85s. Got the whole model lineup of 2024s here. We even got the Supermoto 700 if you want to send it on the street. Whole lineup of 2 strokes, 4 strokes. We got all the strokes here. So give Junior a call if you want to put a deposit down and secure yourself one of these limited production 2024 gases. We only get so many every year, and they're selling out quick. So put your money down and wheel off into the sunset. If you want some 6D helmets, we got 6D helmets in stock. Thanks to Bob Weber. Thanks to Darwin and the guys at Motul. We got the full hookup on Motul. We use a ridiculous amount of Motul products here, especially this chain clean. On every bike we restore, we use almost a full can of this stuff. It's phenomenal for taking off years of grease. Of course, the Motul chain lube, the shine and go before the photo shoot. We got the 2-stroke oil, the premix oil, the Harley Davidson. I run on my Harley, and in our 4 strokes, even the contact cleaner and helmet cleaner, everything you need. One-stop shop at Motul. Got the Gas electric bikes and the new TXT Pro trials bikes here at Kaplan Cycles. Give us a call. Gas predecessor. It's a KTM 300 2-stroke. There's the John Player Norton down there. That's a rare bird. If you stop by, you can see Damon Bradshaw's factory Honda 1997 CR250 and Robbie Knievel's CR500, along with a whole bunch of other really special bikes we got here. Boys are making the magic happen down there. Take a ride down detail shop, see what's going on. What a beautiful day today. It was raining out earlier. The American flag flying. 4 floors of motorcycle madness here at Kaplan Cycles, and they're doing a motorcycle museum. You need a motorcycle to get around here. You can't really walk, it takes forever. See what kind of magic they got going on down here. How about an RM125? Full floater. It's a full floater. We got a super rare Yankee Z twin 500cc two-stroke coming down the pike, and this is a diamond. This is a super rare Husqvarna 360 cross motocross bike, 1971, Steve McQueen special. This thing is look, check out the Mecum auction numbers for what these are going for. You'll blush. Super nice Can-Am Bombardier coming down the pike. Here's the Project CR500. Waiting on some parts to come in. John Lee making the magic happen on this RD400 here. These forks, the clear coat had failed like it always does after 40 years, and you put the polish on them, man. That looks really good, John. Super rare RD400. Can't wait to have this thing done. Got the 01 CR250 getting the shine put back on it. Carlos making the magic happen on his Interceptor. This thing's nasty. You gotta hear this thing, man. It sounds ridiculous. Give her the beats. Rev that in. Yeah. Ha ha. If that don't make you happy, you might be dead. Nothing like a red, white, and blue badass V4 Interceptor with a Yoshi on it. That is one sick machine. Carlos is putting the shine on this one. She's about ready for prime time. XR 400, Craigslist special coming down the pike. Original DT 250. Might hear angels singing when I lift this one up. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, Virginia. That's one of 1,000 ever made Yamaha WR 500s. Oh, how about a pristine 76 KZ 900? Got some serious heavy metal coming down the pike here, guys. Stay tuned for more Moto Madness coming down the pike. Nice 754 Super Sport. But I'm gonna go take a little afternoon ride on my XR 120 BBR big bore. Love this thing. Second gear wheelies all day. Thanks for watching. Love y'all, and God bless America.